You look really beautiful.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
I don't look bad. That's it? Come on.
Okay.
You can do better. Pay the handsome man his compliment.
Okay, you look nice and you smell nice.
Of course I smell nice. I spend a lot of money on my cologne.
I can see that.
Hello?
I've seen the money you sent.
Okay, good. When can I pick up?
Come by the studio tomorrow. I will have it all there.
Okay, please do not disappoint me.
Never, baby. See you tomorrow.
Okay.
And yes, it is nice doing business with you. I see that this would be a fruitful relationship.
See you tomorrow.
So, I have a question.
Really? Shoot.
Why go on a date with a broken lady?
Where is she? This broken lady.
Come on, you know what I mean. Considering how we met and all.
That doesn't make you broken. If that's the case, then we're all just broken people too.
No. You're so perfect.
Is that you or the alcohol talking?
No. I really like you.
Okay. Let's play a game.
Okay, shoot.
Yeah, it's a question game. Tell me what the craziest thing you've ever done is.
My life is crazy. Like, my life is like a circus.
Really?
Like when we first met. That was crazy.
Yeah.
I was like, who's this fine man? You know, like. So, okay. I have secrets that you should know.
Don't we all? I don't care about them. Yeah. What matters to me is that in this very moment, we're happy. We should do this more often.
What?
You know. Go on dates.
What dates?
I know this is crazy, especially with Fola and Kemi and everything that has happened in the last couple of days. I know, but I really like you. I want to spend more time with you. Right, I'll say it. I want you to be my girlfriend.
I mean, I know I'm tipsy and all, but I'm sure I heard you loud and clear. And then there's this thing in my head telling me, run, run, run.
I'm serious, Sandra.
Okay, can we talk about this some other time?
Fine. You know what? Let's order something to eat.
I'm starving. Waiter, we need some food.
Hey, careful.
What exactly are you being careful of? I cannot handle another drama. I'm still trying to sort things out with Fola.
I think you should take it easy on yourself. It's never that deep.
Oh God, I'm so stupid. I just kept blabbing nonsense after drinks. I forgot how alcohol and my system don't get along, especially when I'm with Tokunbo.
Well, I still think you handled yourself well. I mean, you told him you'll think about it, right?
I didn't. He said it for me. I'm such a mess. I remember I kept saying how much of a perfect man he was, and shit, someone shoots me.
Don't worry about it, Jerry. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, eh?
Did I tell you Fola came by?
Fola, that idiot! Is he mad? The most problematic person I've ever met in this life? What does he want?
Someone would think he's your ex.
Okay, don't. Anyway, I'm on my way to go get the goods, and I just thought to just come by and see how we can. Are you okay? Start the PR and make money sharp.
I'm gonna stay home.
You're going to stay home.
Still a bit hungover.
Your boyfriend will cuckoo cover up for you per usual.
Get out.
I'll see you, okay?
Fantastic, isn't it?
Fantastic. You call this fantastic? There's no way this is going to fly.
Honey, it's going to fly. Because you know why? I don't care. This is just business for me.
I don't think you understand. Like, I'm not the one going to sell them. I got this from my friend and I know she's not going to like it.
Babe, that's your headache to deal with. Okay? Like I said, it's just business for me. All I do is business.
Business? You call this business? You're blackmailing me and calling it business?
No, come on, don't be like that. We've talked about this over and over again. Don't make me end this beautiful relationship we have just like that. Alright?
Wait.
We're fine for now, okay? Because I have the money to cover for this.
Wait. You mean after this shipment you're not deleting my naked pictures?
No one likes to throw away that kind of power, okay? And besides, I promised you that as long as you're good and loyal to me, no one else is going to see those sweet nipples of yours and everything, okay? This is the beginning of a fruitful relationship between you and I.
What have I gotten myself into?
Sir, I have sent the money since. Maybe it's from the bank.
Bank. How come all this while we have not had bank issues? But then all of a sudden now, we're having bank issues. Tell me.
Sir, I don't know. I'm not the bank. But what I can do is I can call the bank and find out what's going on. And if they reverse the money, I can send it back to you.
It's fine like that. That is very okay. All right? But you must call them today. Because I don't want to have to come back here to ask you for my money. Please.
Sir, I would.
This one that you are carrying, big bag like this. I hope it's not bomb that is inside.
No, sir. I'm starting a new business.
Ah, that's interesting. Which means more money.
Yes, sir.
What kind of business?
Business, sir.
Buying and selling.
Ah, that's interesting. Let me see now. Maybe
No,
I can be
sir.
your first customer.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Buying or selling.
Sir, it's female wears.
Female wears?
Yes.
Hey, now, after all, I have a wife and daughters. 3 for that matter. I can get something to surprise them.
That is wonderful.
No wonderful.
Is it that you don't want me to buy? I mean, what kind of wares exactly?
Sir. No, sir. I don't Don't you want him to patronize us?
Is it that they're too expensive?
No, sir. They're very affordable. She's my sales representative. Don't mind her.
I can just, if you feel it's just one, I buy. You know, something simple.
Yes,
my daughter, they love to share. And God bless me with daughters who can share. So just let me take one. Or, you know, whatever I can afford.
Yes, sir.
Hey. Is it that? And it's so expensive. Is it not something? Which one is this one? Is it makeup or? Hey! Jesus is a Christian. Hey! Is this what my daughters were going to share? Hey!
It's a mix-up.
It's a very long mix-up. Wonderful. 40 inches worth of mix-up. Ha! You know what? People have done well. Let me come and go and be going. Let me just be going. Hey! I don't mean to judge you. But rubber equi 40 inches. Hey! What my eyes will not see in this one. Wonderful. Hey! Bye-bye, you.
Yes, sir. Is that everything inside the bag? Yeah. I'm finished.
Hello?
This one you're calling me.
Relax. We need to talk.
About what?
You know what about?
Okay.
I don't understand. You didn't know what you were buying?
Look, on the bright side, at least we know it will sell fast.
I have 1 million naira worth of dildos in my house. In my freaking house, June.
Exactly why I didn't want to tell you. I knew you wouldn't agree to
Of
it.
course I would not agree to it. Of course I would say no. What are you thinking?
I didn't lie. I told you female wears, Abby.
Oh, wow. You will take some of these things and sell it in Lagos traffic.
You are mad, Sandra. How? Do you know how it works?
I don't know how it works because I'm okay with the real thing.
Well, we can ask the customers how it works.
Google is their friend. Is it possible to return this?
No, we're not returning it. That for sure we are not doing. Hey baby.
Hey boo.
How are you?
Great. And yours?
I am doing fine.
I miss you.
I miss you more.
We should see soon.
How soon?
Your place or mine?
Anywhere is fine with me.
Talk to you later then.
Bye baby.
Someone is in love.
I beg you.
I'm happy for you guys. But back to business. How do we sell this, Madam Dick?
So, what is this about?
Can you stop acting funny? Do you want him back or not?
Of course I do. But of course I'm not about to start chasing the guy around town.
You need to.
And why is that? Because of your babe, I suppose.
Look, just focus, okay? It's a win-win here. If you get him back, she's gonna come back to me.
I mean, valid points, but... Look, I don't know. Tokunbo has been acting really weird.
Tokunbo is always acting weird. And you know his weak points, eh? There's a reason why he fell in love with you before. You guys dated for like 9 months.
11?
Oh, right. You see what I'm saying? Come on. Do you want to throw all of those away?
Okay, I mean, so what is this plan?
Fine. Fantastic. So what we're going to do is...
faces. I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that everything they post. Men are in sizes, and life is a faces. Be sure to take it steady slow. You cannot count on what it shows. You can count on us. They claim they have your back, but alone you could carry your bags. Hey. You are on your own. They claim they have your back. When you fall, you go land for ground, then you realize that zig and zag is how the story's told. Pains and gains is how we know. Mysteries we yet unfold. Make sure that you don't tumble. Yin and yang is how the story goes. Pains and gains is how we grow. Mysteries we yet unfold. It's all about the many faces. I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow.
Hey.
What's up?
So you know what you've been thinking about? What we talked about? Hey, listen. You don't have to talk about it if you don't want to.
So, I think there are other things we need to talk about before we talk about that.
Fine. Where do we start? We can start bit by bit. Hey. Hello, are you there?
Yeah. I like you. I really do. Maybe even love. But I'm scared.
I get that. And that's fine, it's completely normal.
You don't understand.
What don't I understand? Okay, help me understand.
I have secrets. One that I never told Fola. That was why it was so easy for me to break up with him.
Okay. So, these secrets, would they stop us from loving each other?
Are you saying you love me?
What do you think? Right. I, Tokunbo Williams, is absolutely and helplessly in love with you, Sandra the kitty.
You said it first.
Hey!
Just remember.
No, that's a lie. You said it earlier, you just said it with style. Yeah, so, how's work?
It's actually going on well.
You sure?
Yeah.
You know I offered to help you, right? But you wouldn't tell me what you sell.
No, just leave this one.
Is it drugs?
No! Oh my gosh, how can you... Do I look like I can sell drugs?
Go.
I really, really, really love you. And I'm so scared of losing you. Like, I'm so scared of you slipping through my fingers. I don't even know if I can handle it.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Hey, I'm here, okay? I'm here to stay and I'm not going anywhere.
Sure.
I cross my heart.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Is that a yes?
Yeah.
Come here.
Cheers.
Cheers.
one more thing.
My goodness. Okay. What is it?
You know what? I actually would tell you some other time. I don't want to ruin this moment.
No, it's fine. Say it. It's chill.
Oh, it's fine. Seriously. I'm fine.
Hey, guy, how far? This is your girlfriend. When last you see her?
Kunle, did they send you to me?
I beg you.
I don't want you to stop this thing. Did they send you to me? What is all this?
Oh, yeah, no verse. Make I rephrase the question. Since you want to get muzzle now for nothing. This our co-worker / supervisor. When last you see her?
Now me and you, they work for you with other workers. So why you they ask me?
Like say this one ship don't sink. No wonder they get muzzle for ID verse.
I don't like it. I don't say this. I don't like this joke. You know, be small picking. With the play small. I don't like it.
Okay, I'm sorry for being a small picking, sir. I was just coming from a place of love. Now you use your mouth, tell me, say this girl now your babe, and I see that. Like say small problem don't they? I'm coming from a place of love, no verse.
Anyway, if you must know, she don't get one side hustle like that.
She has always had a side hustle. Not be with that Aristo, with the other day when she did with.
Kunle,
I beg you.
So long, man, I go put you for trouble. This.
Yeah, now so. Get this thing. Yeah. Now you sabi.
Hey, she's not be Aristo, she did do. Now my baby, I go let you know now. She's into buying and selling.
What did she do, sir?
Sandra, thank God you walked in on time. Oh yeah, ask her.
Alpha, you don't even hug me now. Wow.
Hug your babe.
Alpha.
Hey, how are you there? Okay, oh yeah, answer. I got a question for you.
So, no, we were having a dialogue.
Okay.
I've been many places, I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that everything the post. I've been many places, I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that everything the post. Men are in sizes, and life is a faces. Be sure to take it steady slow. You cannot count on what I show. You can't count on us. They claim they